Okay? Alright? Be elegant. Be professional. This is, put it in front of him, not like this. Okay? Nice, elegantly. This is your wine. Yes? Then, you're going back to your station. Take a corkscrew. Open the wine. You still have a napkin. Take a small plate. Put the cork on the plate. Okay? Then, you put the wine in your left hand. In your right hand, you have the plate with the cork. You give it to Mr. Shushu. This is your cork. You put it on a table because the wine experts are used to smell the wine. Checking the cork. End of the cork is wet, is dry, what color is it? All information regarding the quality of the wine. Okay? And then, may I pour a little taste for you? Yes. You take the wine, left hand behind, with the straight hands. Not like. Again, elegant move. Make a step. Don't touch with the bottle, the glass. Put a little bit. Swirl the bottle because of the drops. Okay? You don't have drop stop. If you are professional, you don't need drop stop. A little bit, and you are then holding the wine, showing the label to the guest. Okay? And checking, very good. Okay? Thank you. Then you start to serve the wine. You start from the oldest lady to the youngest. Oldest man to the youngest. The last person is Shushu. So Shushu ordered the wine. Okay?
Make sure Shushu have wine.
Always the person is ordering the wine. It is the last one. Be careful if you have a table for 8, 6 or 10 people. One bottle of wine is not enough. Then you start to pour. Depends. Can be for 4, can be for 2, can be for 3, can be for 5, can be for 6. Depend on you. Because if there are more people, you ask them, you want to share your wine with your friends? Yes or no? If yes, you pour a little bit for everybody because they want to say a toast. Welcome to the cruise, have a good time, whatever. And make sure the most quantity of the wine will stay with the host. The host is Shushu. Shushu ordered it, Shushu pay for it. Okay? He will be the one who's paying. He's the owner of the wine. If you pour for everybody and you're coming back to Shushu and, sorry Shushu, no more wine. Bad luck.
Need to order one more.
Finish. Buy another one. Shushu will be very upset because you force him to spend the money. And will be a complaint. Okay? You understand? Very important. Another thing, when you take the wine and before you are serving, to be more professional, you have information in the label. This wine, it is from this region, from this year, with this much alcohol. You can see the color, very nice. Pešušička, Chardonnayčka, Robertočka, Mondavička. From vintage 2010, which was a fantastic year in California. Yes, they made the best Chardonnay in the last 10 years, okay? Stupid thing. A very good year for Chardonnay grapes. Fantastic color, you can see it, with 13.5 alcohol by volume. Okay? Not too strong, not too soft, it's a perfect wine which will match exactly in a perfect way your chicken Kiev for today. Okay? And then of course you say that the rest of the things, fantastic wine with tropical fruits, with a little bit of apple, whatever. Tomorrow I will show you again in the practice. Okay? I would like to see you troszeczkę